Elegant Easter baking, delightful treats to inspire your holiday. Easter is around the corner, and there's nothing quite like homemade baked goods to capture the charm and joy of the season. Whether you're baking for family, friends, or a festive gathering, let's explore creative techniques to transform simple cakes, cookies, and pastries into dazzling Easter delights. Imagine pastel-colored frosting, whimsical bunny decorations, and delicate floral accents that make your treats not just desserts, but centerpiece-worthy creations. In today's video, we'll guide you through step-by-step techniques to elevate your baking game with style, beauty, and creativity. A stunning Easter cake can brighten any celebration. Start with a classic vanilla or carrot cake for a springtime flavor. Smooth over a coat of pastel buttercream, soft blues, yellows, or pinks. For a professional touch, try the ombre technique. Blend colors from light to dark for a gradient effect. Add handmade sugar flowers or edible decorations like chocolate eggs and miniature bunnies. A swirl of whipped cream and a touch of gold leaf can complete the look, turning your cake into a holiday masterpiece. The best part? Techniques simple enough for any skill level, yet elegant enough to impress. Decorated cookies are perfect for both gifting and displaying. Use cookie cutters in shapes like bunnies, chicks, eggs, or spring flowers. Gingerbread or sugar cookies make for a sturdy yet delicious foundation. Once baked and cooled, the magic begins with decorating. Royal icing is your best friend. Outline each cookie with a piping bag before flooding them with a pastel glaze. Add intricate details, polka dots, plaid patterns, or personalized messages. For an extra sparkle, sprinkle edible glitter or pearl accents on finished cookies. They'll shine just as bright as the smiles they bring. Nothing says Easter magic like flaky pastries with an extra dose of fun. Think sweet fruit turnovers or cream-filled puff pastries shaped like bunny ears. Fold pre-made puff pastry dough into unique shapes, fill with jams or custards, and bake until golden. For festive flair, drizzle icing over the pastries and decorate with colorful sprinkles. You could also include savory pastry options like spinach and feta pinwheels. Plating these on a tiered serving stand creates an irresistible display for brunch or dessert tables. Whether you're working on cakes, cookies, or pastries, presentation is key. Use brightly colored cake stands, wooden boards, or elegant plates to showcase your designs. Embellish your table with fresh flowers and a well-placed pastel linen for a cohesive holiday theme. Don't forget dimension. Experiment with varying heights for your baked goods to create visual interest. A sprinkle of powdered sugar or edible glitter can transform even the simplest dessert into something magical. Attention to detail makes all the difference when it comes to elevating your bakes. Baking for Easter is about more than treats. It's about creating memories and bringing heartfelt joy to those around you. Whether you involve your little ones in decorating cookies or surprise loved ones with a beautiful cake, your baked creations will spread holiday cheer and sweet nostalgia. If you love sharing your baking journey, don't forget to take plenty of photos or create your own short video. Tag us in your creations. Your inspiration might spark someone else's holiday magic. Treat your loved ones to the magic of homemade Easter desserts this year. With these simple techniques and elegant designs, you can transform your imagination into edible art. Stunning and delicious, your baked creations will become the star of every spring gathering. Ready to start baking? Like and subscribe for more. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Check out our blog for more in-depth guides. https://chatlifeandwork.blog. Comment below. Invite elegance into your Easter celebrations. Let's bake magic together.